If you thought AI tools had already peaked, today's NotebookLM update might change your mind. The platform just rolled out some seriously powerful new features that can transform how you create and present educational content. Let me walk you through two of the biggest additions and how they can actually elevate your workflow. The first feature is the Infographic generator. On the left side, I uploaded my course syllabus as a source, then selected the infographic option, and the output is genuinely impressive. It took my entire syllabus and converted it into a polished, visually engaging infographic that clearly highlights all the essential information. Everything from course structure to key requirements is presented in a way that's easy to understand at a glance. It's not just visually appealing, it's also accurate and well-organized, making it perfect for sharing with students. I'll definitely be integrating it into my LMS alongside the original syllabus to give learners a more interactive overview. What makes this feature even more powerful is the level of customization it offers. By clicking the Edit pen/pencil icon, you can choose different languages, switch between layouts like landscape, portrait, or square, and adjust the level of detail, whether you want something detailed, standard, or concise. In the example I showed, I selected the detailed option to capture as much information as possible. You can also guide the output with specific prompts. For example, you might ask it to create a timeline showing all major assignments and exams, a weekly breakdown of topics and required readings, a flowchart of the 5 to 7 most important core concepts, a calendar view highlighting peak workload weeks, or deadlines, a grading breakdown summarized by percentage. And that's just the beginning. With a bit of creativity, you can design infographics that not only summarize content but actually enhance understanding and engagement. This is especially useful for educators, researchers, and content creators who want to present complex information in a more digestible format. The second major feature is presentations, and honestly, this is something many users have been waiting for. You can now generate complete slide decks directly from your documents. After generating the presentation, you can preview it instantly by clicking play. I created one using my course syllabus, and the result is excellent. The slides are structured logically, contain relevant information, and even include thoughtful elements like quotes to make the content more engaging. It feels like a ready-to-use lecture deck, rather than just a rough draft. There's also a good amount of flexibility when generating these presentations. You can download them as a PDF, choose between presenter-style slides or a more detailed deck, select your preferred language, and control the length, short, default, or long. On top of that, you can guide the AI by specifying exactly what you want the presentation to focus on. Whether it's a full course overview or a deep dive into specific topics, you're in control of the direction. These features go beyond simple automation. They actually help you rethink how you design and deliver content. Instead of spending hours formatting slides or visuals, you can focus more on refining ideas and improving learning outcomes. There are still more capabilities within NotebookLM worth exploring, but these two updates are the highlights released today. Currently, they're available to pro users, while free users should start seeing access roll out within the next couple of weeks. If you experiment with these tools and create something unique, whether it's a detailed infographic or a compelling slide deck, definitely share it. It'll be interesting to see the different ways people use these features. Thanks for watching.